how to setting tools. Click this and going to the tools, setting the tools number 1. You select this. Maybe I will select this one. Okay, diameter we will increase, and offset will increase too. Click SJ and then SJ again, and you can calibrate your tool. First time I will give this chuck up of the workpiece and click this twice. Okay, you can calling the tool number 1 and click enter. The tool will become, and you can click microcycle. This process tool calibration. The tool will calibrate it automatically. Next is diameter. Okay, finish. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe.